Welcome to Brew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear cache here in Brave browser. So cache serves like data in your saved in your computer so that the next time you visit websites it will connect more seamlessly and faster. But the downside of it is that some websites may collect data about it, or it may slow down your browser or your device. So to delete it, all you have to do is on the upper right corner, click these three horizontal lines, go to settings, and then on the left side, go to privacy and security. Click delete browsing data. So here, click the cache images and files. So we're just concerned for her, we can uncheck the others. And then you can also choose the time frame. Click delete from this device. So as you can see, the last are of cache have been deleted. Thank you and see you in the next video.